When movement matters, when precision matters, when quality matters, choose CCTY. CCTY is a global company specializing in the engineering and manufacturing of precision motion control products and assemblies. Our components are designed to meet needs across a range of industries. CCTY puts customers' needs first. Our solutions-driven team of engineers is available to adapt designs to your specific application requirements. We pride ourselves on our ability to create custom products that meet your exact needs, instead of relying solely on producing standard, off-the-shelf, mass-produced products. In fact, our engineering team's innovation has resulted in CCTY being awarded a number of patents. Our production is fully integrated, ensuring that all of our manufacturing processes are in-house, which allows us to maintain a high level of quality assurance and process stability control. Because of our growth mindset and customer-focused approach, CCTY continues to adapt to meet the needs of a global market with dedicated warehouses, sales, and engineering support. In 2025, CCTY will further extend capabilities with a new, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Haiphong, Vietnam. CCTY welcomes a challenge. If your company is experiencing a design problem, our engineering and production teams are ready to work with you to find a solution. When precision motion control matters, choose CCTY.